I am so happy to announce that today is National Cheese Day. And you know what? I love cheese. And to celebrate National Cheese Day, I'm going to be making a special collaboration video with my pals over at the channel Paul and Benny.
I'm Paul.
I'm Benny, and we love cheese.
The thing I'm going to be making is called loaded cheesy potato bread. I had seen this years ago and have been wanting to make it, and now I'm finally gonna make it. It looks a little bit complicated, but I'm willing to give it a try. Grab a bowl. I need a cup of flour, 1/3 cup of warmed milk, a tablespoon of melted butter, and a touch of salt. Mix that until it comes together. Then I kind of need to form it into a ball. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let it rest for about a half an hour. I'm going to give it a good knead. Then I'll let it sit for another half an hour. I've peeled, chopped, and microwaved a russet potato, and now I'm going to mash it with a fork. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mix that together. And now comes the cheese. I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella and some cheddar, some cooked and crumbled bacon. I'm going to chop in some chives, and I'll add some dash for seasoning. Mix until combined. I'm going to flour my surface. Now it's time to roll out my dough. It's going to need to be about 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to start with a little mozzarella. Then I'm going to spread on that potato mixture, and I'll sprinkle a little mozzarella cheese on the top. Then we have to wrap it around and pinch those edges to seal. I'm going to use my hand and flatten it down. And then I'm just going to roll it out a touch. It's going to need to be about 8 inches. I need 2 tablespoons of oil, and I need to cook it for about 4 minutes per side. I flipped it, now 4 minutes on the other side. And now it's time to slice it up. Loaded, cheesy potato bread. Look how wonderful that looks. And look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. It is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna give it an 8.3 out of 10. Even though it was quite complicated, I am so pleased with how it turned out. Now you're gonna have to go and check out Paul and Benny's channel to see what cheesy creation they created. They sure are a great pair of guys. I absolutely love their channel, and they make some very yummy and comforting foods. Make sure you pop over and tell them I said hi. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. What did the bull say to the calf? It's past your bedtime. Hooray for cheese!